Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a very quick look at and installing the Speedform quarter window louvers in gloss black, available for the 08 and newer Challenger. You should be checking this out if you're looking for a classic, nostalgic look to the side profile of your Challenger in the form of a quarter window louver like this one here. This is a 5-slot louver made from an injection molded ABS plastic with a really crisp gloss black finish on top. Now, the ABS plastic is a very common material used in aftermarket exterior styling parts, especially quarter window louvers like this one here, and it's very durable, super flexible, and it fits right into the window cutout itself. The injection molded process makes sure it is a perfect fit, sits really snug up against the weather stripping around the edges there, and the crack on the inside there as well between the door. Now, this is something that comes in a couple of different finishes in the category. You can get this in gloss black, but they also have a matte black option if you're looking for something a little bit stealthier, not as glossy. I like this one because it blends in really well with our black OEM paint color, but the gloss black is going to look really nice on pretty much all OEM paint colors. It's going to be a really subtle finish. You could also take it to a local paint shop of your choice to get custom matched if you'd like, but the finishes out of the box are ready to install. So either way, it gives you that really nice retro look to the sides of the Challenger. Now, the price tag comes in right around $100 for the pair, so you get the driver and passenger side, and they're going to go on using 3M automotive bonding tape. Now, the 3M tape is made specifically for exterior applications on automotive vehicles. This is something that, if applied correctly, will stay on for the lifetime that you want it to until you're ready to take it off. Now, if you're looking for added security, you can use adhesion promoter, which you can pick up separately to help give it an extra bond there between the 3M tape and the glass. The key here is making sure you're cleaning off the glass properly. You want to clear it from any dirt and dust that will be on the surface of the glass. Even if it looks clean, grab some soap and water, clean that guy off with a clean microfiber to make sure the 3M gets a really good bond. Otherwise, you're running the risk of it flying off, especially at highway speeds. Now, the install, by the way, I'm giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. You can tackle this in 30 minutes or less in the driveway at home with nothing really but a knife to handle cutting the 3M strips. You're also going to need a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle or alcohol wipes and a rag. With that said, I'm going to walk you through the process, so let's get started. Tools used in the install include a squirt bottle with soap and water mixture and a microfiber or an alcohol wipe and a knife. First step, of course, is to assemble the 3M tape to the backside of the louvers. Now, we have it face down on the foam padding that it comes with in the packaging just to protect the finish. What you're basically going to do is grab a knife, have that handy. You're going to peel off some of that roll, and you're going to start around the edges and just apply it to the inside edge on the back side of the louver. You're going to run the entire length of each side, then run around that side, and then this, and of course have the knife there to cut it to size. Okay, repeat that for all of that. All right, once you have that taken care of, repeat that for the other louver. Next up, and this is the most important part, you want to make sure you're cleaning off the window around the edges, especially where the 3M is going to apply. Now, if you don't have alcohol wipes, a soap and water mixture and a squirt bottle will do the trick. Just wet that rag. You want to go around the edges, making sure that you're getting all of the dirt and dust off of that surface, because this is what's going to make sure the 3M gets a good application with the glass. If you'd like, you can use adhesion promoter on the glass as well to help really give the 3M a good bond. It'll be coming right off of ours, so I'm not going to be using adhesion promoter, but it is recommended for guys who want a little bit more security. Okay, so next what I have is each of the 3M strips peeled back a couple of inches over the edge so they're accessible from the outside. We're going to use this corner here to line things up. It's going to seat right in that corner there. Follow the trim all the way up. With the little 3M that is exposed, press that down just to get it to stick. Then peel off the rest of the backing with it safely in place. Put pressure on each of the edges, along the edges there, down the entire strip. Repeat on the other side, and you're good to go. That's going to wrap up my review and install for the Speedform quarter window louvers in gloss black, available for the 08 and newer Challenger. Get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.